Hi guys, uh, welcome to another video of Banknifty analysis. So yesterday, as I predicted, market I had already told you in the Banknifty chart, especially if the market goes above this level, look for a buying opportunity. Definitely, market opened with a big gap up, huge. I think 370 points if I'm not wrong. Immediately it retraced to this level and went up here. I told you market may reach previous day high or R2 and reverse from there. If you go to previous, if you see my last video, you'll come to know I predicted this moment. Why this bounce came is specifically because of Fibonacci levels. Clearly, you can see from 50% zone it has retraced. If the bank Nifty had opened gap down or flat, it would have come down and gone up actually. It would have definitely closed at this level only, but this was a very good move and it was quite confusing actually. Till this point, maybe I think till 1 o'clock, it was not very clear whether Bank Nifty will go up or not. But yeah, since we have our own order flow concepts, I mean, I could easily guess this this was going to be downfall, but uh, I was expecting it will fall till CPR, but it came back and then it gave a small fall, small I think 100 points, came down from CPR levels, and again went back and rested inside the CPR. So clearly, we can see yesterday I told you one more thing. Whenever the low starts shifting from lower high to higher low to lower low, you can see lower low formations. Now it has shifted from lower low to higher low. Clearly, we can see there is a change of sentiments. It was first of all when it opened with the gap up, it was quite evident that market has slightly turned bullish today, but somehow I think operators played a very good game today. So they predicted that people are also like following the CPR rule, order flow thing. Immediately, I think from here it was a straight fall. Premiums also, like I'll show you how it went. I also made decent profits today. It was I could capture actually totally around from not around 220 points I could capture both sides. I'll show you like what trades I took. So basically, the logic is not to show like how much profit. I'll not show any screenshot how much profit I made or how many lots I took. I just want to show you the logic how we could have traded today. Actually, it was a very good day today for traders. It was a very good move. It was one-sided momentum. Generally, on a expiry day, if you get it is very good. Okay, so this was predicted yesterday. So I told 3-4 scenarios actually. If it opens in this range, I told we can, if it breaks this low, it will come to this 61.8 level and bounce back. Or if it opens somewhere here, it can go up, go to previous high or R2 and come down. But thing is, market opened with a big gap up. Okay, let me show you something interesting. See, somewhere last month, you can clearly see same thing happened actually. If you see clearly, market was doing this kind of a zone where it was forming a channel pattern where it was continuously trading downside. Immediately, the next day it opened with a gap up on a Tuesday's expiry, Finifty expiry. This was a Finifty expiry day. So what did it is, it came and took support here around this high and bounced back and gave a clear move upside. This was a kind of expiry. This is also an expiry move, but today people I think were expecting the same thing because already it was all bullish. People are expecting once it breaks out of this channel, definitely it will go like this. See, that was also a possibility. I'm not telling it's not a possibility, but now it's clearly very clear now. 45,600. Okay. Should have gone to test the previous high basically, 650. Yeah. Instead of doing that, it did this. Anyways, yeah. So what does it tell? Nothing has changed actually. If you still see, it is above this 50% zone. And I also told you this is forming a new higher low. Instead of lower low, this is one more confirmation. Market is turning bullish. It didn't give a breakout, proper break. It's kind of a fake out, you can say. But still, this is a very good range what it has formed. It itself, whatever fall it gave, total this particular fall, it itself is an order flow. Definitely tomorrow I'll tell you, if market doesn't break this low 44,600, definitely it is targeting this high. Tomorrow, high probability market can touch previous day high. I don't know if it will give a breakout or not. I'm not very sure. In one day, if it does that, I don't know whether it wants to really do it. But yeah, people are with this kind of a move. People are already holding put positions because they would have kept the stop loss here. Definitely, the way it fell here without any major consolidation. This is not a major consolidation, I would say. It's a consolidation, but not a very big consolidation to fall like this. Somewhere till CPR, okay, the top center line, but it fell like this means it looks like it wants to trap all the sellers. Let us see if this consolidation is really strong or not. So this is what I predicted. Actually, I feel happy that this is working finally, because there has to be some kind of setup where it should actually work. So this zone was actually completely respected. So market never came back into this zone and it took support of this zone. It continuously went up. Okay. So what is the plan for tomorrow? So anyways, yeah. See, again you can see same white CPR tomorrow here. Correct. What it can do tomorrow. It all depends on, I'll just open the GIFT Nifty chart. Just keep observing this GIFT Nifty or index futures where it is closing tonight. It will open by I think 6 o'clock, I guess. Just keep a watch on this chart. Definitely GIFT Nifty will impact the tomorrow's opening. GIFT Nifty is nothing but SGX Nifty now. It has been renamed as GIFT Nifty. So watch out this chart. See, whoever opens the market, how much ever bullish it is, finally it all comes down to professional traders or proprietary firms who close the trade. They are the real market makers. They wanted to close at this level. They closed it. See, they have closed it in such a level, at such a level that it's neither bullish nor bearish. If you close at 44,700, 726, if you see the average closing, 44,665, okay. Somewhere below this CPI, okay. Somewhere here. Almost like, yeah, 70, 35, 26, around 60, 70 points lower it has closed, average closing. Anyways. What is the plan for tomorrow is basically simple. So here you can clearly see if this low, mark this 44,564, okay, 44,564 must be swept. It must be swept for going up, okay, or if it is swept and the market starts to go up, definitely it's a liquidity grab. So definitely if market tests this level tomorrow, high chances market can do this. Already 44,665, right? So here, somewhere here, market can come here, sharp momentum for 100 points and go like this. High probability, take it from me, it can go and touch here. It can break out of this also. Take it from me, but what I'm saying is, why I'm saying this one is, don't be bearish simply because it got sold off even today, the second half. Okay, you are not seeing the undercurrent of the market. What you are seeing is only the expiry moves. These expiry moves are not really authentic and really does not give the clear picture of the market. Okay, be aware previous day low and this low, basically 44,557, or if it's opening with a flat and going up straight without respecting this zone, okay, we go and touch 45,100, almost 45,100 previous day high. It's going to touch. Don't even have a doubt about it. Okay, so it is going to be a bullish day tomorrow because of the many reasons I told you. One is low got shifted here and this low was respected. Secondly, already after many days of selling, they are unable to take the market makers are unable to take the market lower than this level, 44,600 levels. Third, this is 50% zone, high chance of reversal from here. You can see yesterday it came here, market reversed till here. This is not a small reversal. You can see this is a reversal of close to 525 points, and 525 points it fell. Okay, that is a different case. But what I am trying to say is that now that we have this kind of formation in the market, so again and again there is no point in selling, buying. Now market will not play sideways. I am damn pretty sure market will go one-sided tomorrow. Okay, if this happens, if it takes out this liquidity and goes up, it will go very fast. You just trap everyone. It can also happen that it can open gap up like this somewhere here. Okay, come crashing like this. Okay, crash CPR. People will be ultra bearish. Everyone's psychology will be completely bearish because already we have seen many days selling has happened. Again, now previous day low, it will take down, immediately reverse, just like this. But this time it will not be sideways, and this one it will take out the previous day high. It can go and touch even R2. Be aware, if this happens, clearly you can say this is a breakout of this zone, whatever channel we had marked, right? So this signifies change in character, basically change of character, what we call. So this move, or we don't know what market is planning, or it can give a crash to this level and then go up, or I feel this has to come tomorrow only, bullish move. If at all market still wants to play and still wants to, the market makers still want to accumulate some orders, watch out this channel. Okay, we'll play in this channel, that's all. Like this, I don't know for how many days. Definitely today what I can see is it closed in a bullish sentiment. Actually, the way it closed, the lower low, definitely till this day the lows were getting broken every day. Here the low didn't get broken, so this is a first sign of reversal of, or what you can say, the higher time frame continuation of the higher time frame trend. Be aware. So let's see like what trade you could have done. I mean, you could have got today in Banknifty. So I hope you have got clarity on this. The market is in this range, especially. I repeat that if the market is in this range, trade for this, target this high 45,100. Definitely, if not exactly here, we'll get somewhere around at least 40-50 points somewhere nearby. You'll get it target. Definitely, that is for sure. If you want, you can trade and target R2 also. Okay, this is my view. Okay, if you want to be bearish in the market, okay, just look out. I don't think so. See, already market has done this many times. It comes here somewhere at the top of the day, consolidates sometime, falls. See, daily it is happening. Goes up, consolidates, falls. Goes up, consolidates, falls. Okay, you can see almost like last few days it has been doing this only. Nothing. 3 days continuous pattern, almost similar pattern, not a very big difference. I think they have been using the same all algorithms. They have not changed their algorithms. Basically, what I can see is that somewhere the few retailers, dumb retailers who trade this channel and all that, they would have got trapped today. Once this breakout would have happened somewhere here, they would have kept the stop loss here and entered here. They would have entered the trade here and kept the stop loss here. They would have got something here. They didn't take that profit, gone. Market would have taken and the stop losses and they would be in loss. Those who trade 5 minutes in Bank Nifty, definitely intraday is not for them. Intraday, based on 5 minutes, that too when the VIX is so low, okay, and the VIX is at 10 point something, I don't know, like what is the VIX today, let me check. 10.93, okay, you can see how VIX is getting crashed day by day. So when the VIX is crashing like this, if you want to trade on 5 minutes, I don't think so you'll get even one proper trade today. Even today, I don't think so you got any great trade in this. If you're trading 3 minutes or 1 minute, at least you'll get something in 1 minute. 3 minutes also bit difficult. 1 minute definitely you'll get trades. So basically these trades are not like big trades. You'll get 70, 50, 60, 70 points. That is more than enough. You'll not be able to capture such a big move. I'll show you also. This kind of a move will not be able to capture. Almost 400 points, right? In the options, at least you should get 250 to 300 points. Will not get 300 in one shot, definitely. Those who have the capacity to hold this, they can hold it. That is different. But generally, see, who will wait here? Tell me. Market is coming down, coming down. If market does this kind of a move, who will wait? Who will see? Already CPR is there. Definitely, there is a strong support. If not strong support, it's a kind of some kind of support, right? So who will be waiting there? Only option sellers will be waiting there, because who sold somewhere 45, 100, 200 calls, somewhere this level calls, they'll not feel afraid, because this kind of move, that too after almost like 215, 230, hardly any movement will be there in the out of the money call options. Correct? For you it's in the money. Sorry, when you entered it will be out in the money, but post that for them it will be in the money sell call sells, right? Already it's in the money. So this is how. If an option seller, that is the strategies are different. Okay, you don't have to worry about direction at all. So if you're an option seller on expiry day, buy the ranges. That's all. You already have a range, yesterday's range, today's range. Sell both the ranges. Sell call options of 45, 100 and sell put options of 44, 700. That's it. You will be in profit. That's all. I mean, for option selling, not much of logic is required. You just have to have a range if you are doing straddles, and also if you are on trending. I mean, if the market is going to trend on an expiry day, decay will happen very quick. If it remains sideways, yeah, decay will not be very much. But if it's going to even give one small red candle like this, premium will decay very badly. So if you are into option buying, should do scalping only. Let me show you what trades you could have got in Bank Nifty today. Let me show you once again. So okay, the first was a big red candle. Okay, so as already it opened above the resistance what I had marked yesterday here, definitely I was bullish. I already told you, if it opens above that resistance, I'll be bullish. So it took support from that resistance, so now it became a support. So whatever it was a resistance, it has become a support now. What I would have done is, I'll now just check for this move. So basically I can see here there is an order flow here, right? Clearly there is an order flow. These red candles. After that, there was this green candle which went up. That means the market is slightly bullish. It has turned bullish here. Okay, I'll again check whether there is new order flow here somewhere. You can see here. order flow, red candles came, candle close. Got it. So now I am convinced that market, I'll check 2-3 order flows. If I get some 2-3 order flows, even here you can see. This one. Um, see, this candle, even though it's a red candle, it closed above this zone, right? Basically, definitely that means that is showing a change of character. Order flow will tell you everything. So where already you saw the market is turning bullish, what trade you could have taken? See, I'll mark this zone basically. Okay. The first trade of the day was a bit tricky, but I'll tell you how you could have captured. So you can see there are two order flows to the upper side. So market close here, gave a pullback here. You can see pullback came here, correct? You can see the pullback almost came till this red candle. This red candle was the last red candle before going up, right? In this zone, this was the last red candle before the market pushed higher. So this is the kind of zone which acts as a demand zone for the market. So again, if the market taps here, you are ready to buy here with a stop loss of this. So I just show you. So this is the entry, this is the stop loss, 21 points. So I'll target 1:6, 1:7 generally. Let me show you whether it got hit or not. I'll show you. 1:7. Exactly, it has given 1:7 from this range. You'll be shocked to see exactly it is given 1:7. You should have exited here. Basically, even in premium charts, premium would have moved similarly. Simple trade, right? Either you take this 20 or whatever 10 point stop loss, or you take this profit target. Why you want to trade in between? Why you want to trade these red moves, green moves? You can see a lot of candles here, lot of movements are happening. You got a trade, you got an entry, you got a target 1:6 or 1:7, or target this day high also. Done, right? What do you want? That is also a good 1:5.9 or 1:6. It's not a joke. 1:6 in Banknifty on his Thursday expiry day, and when the VIX is so low, it's getting close to 125 points, right? So 125 divided by 2, you can say close to 65, 70 points. Done. Your day is done. We'll fix a stop loss of 10 rupees. We'll target somewhere around 65, 70 rupees. Done, right? You play with 1000 lots, 1000 quantities. Done. Your monthly, I mean, some people may not get even monthly salary like that. So target one day proper target. Okay. So this is one trade. Okay. This was a target hit today. So if I see next move, this was challenging actually, because when market moved drastically like this, the bullishness will remain until this low is taken, basically, or you can say this low is taken. I'll show once again this particular low 45,000, right? It was a crucial support. If you see, okay, this particular low from where the market went up, right? This is a pullback and went up, straight move. So this move was not till here. We can never say whether market is bearish, because this is a protected low. Until this is broken, how can you say the market is bearish? Because from here, anywhere, market can give a reversal. So that's the reason I actually took many scalping trades here, and SL got hit 10 points, 7 points, 2 SLs got hit, and then I started looking. Once this got broken, I started looking for bearish trades. Definitely, that is also clearly we got it. Okay, so see here, from this low to almost like 134 points here, right? You could have got into call trades and end up with loss. Why I'll show you. Because first sign of whether market is going to hold this level or not, or whether you should hold this trade, whatever trade you have taken, you should not hold, because once you achieve 1:6, 1:7, you should exit. Okay, but if you see here, somewhere here, this zone, or say, okay, it broke this became an order flow actually, correct? So this, but I was looking for upside moment, so I missed the trade here because this was a good move. I didn't trade here, but what I took is I was targeting this. So somewhere here I entered actually, gave a good move actually till here, but my target was I entered somewhere 50% of the zone somewhere here. Just I'll show you. I kept the stop loss below this, and I was targeting somewhere around 1:6, 1:7. So my target was somewhere 45 200. Okay, somewhere here. But what happened is it played here for quite some time. If you see, it has played in this zone after coming back for almost like 1 hour. So till here I was kind of bullish on it, because I can see the clear order flow here, market pushing up, correct? So I took a trade. See, when the trend is upside today, I cannot look for a downside trend, right? Unless I get this low is broken. How can you say whether the market has turned bearish? So I took this trade. I lost this almost 10 points. There's a loss of 10 points anyways. Okay. Post this I understood. Okay. On when this got broken, I didn't mind looking for short trades. What I did next is, yeah, this low. Let me draw this. So I can see this is the order flow market made to come down. So I thought, okay, when market comes to this zone, somewhere here I'll take the trade, because this zone was a very big zone. If you see, almost even in the premium charts, it was quite a big zone. 20-25 points was there. I didn't want to take a chance, but anyways, I saw some kind of confirmation based on some. I found a green red candle here, basically. So based on this, I think I'm not seeing the right chart. Anyways, okay, this future chart. Okay. So whenever I saw this red candle, I took a trade here somewhere. Let me show you. I took a trade somewhere here. Put the stop loss above this high. Basically, I think this high, yeah, this high, and I targeted 1:7. Clearly, I got the trade till here. After I exited, I got around, if I'm not wrong, just a minute. Okay, somewhere here I had put. So I got somewhere around. Remember, I entered 45 200, 287, and exited at 430. 45 126 points I got. Actually, this moment, actually we got the real moment, because I was trading in ITM, deep in the money. Actually 45 200 points above I traded, so I got 126 points in this move. Basically I could capture that. Post that, what it market did is it even went further lower. Okay, so this move I couldn't capture, because there is some power supply power cut at my house. So really I couldn't capture, and there were some personal things, so I couldn't do that. But enough, right? So almost like I got good trade today. I told you, right? Around 220 points I got. 220 points. This is actually like, see what profit you make, how many quantity, how many lots you hold, it's all your capacity. But what is the quality of trade and what is the concept behind the trade is very important. Correct? So, this is how we have to, even here, I think, this trade was more of a panic selling, you can say. This is not the move because somewhere there was the CPR reversal happened. I don't know for what reason this happened. Ideally, if it wanted to come down here, I don't know, this kind of a zigzag move. See, this was not totally easily tradable. Some people who sold the call options, as I told you, they would have carried this and they would have paid that premium also, whatever was left out. Anyways, I think if I'm not wrong, 44,900 C basically was almost close to 1 or 2 rupees. Here only, not 1 or 2 rupees. I think it had come to almost 20 rupees by the end of this move. 2020. I think it went to around 45 or something. With this move, it gave a small spike. I remember small spike here, and again it crashed. 44,900 also I was watching the call because there was a CPR here, right? I was just watching because I could see some kind of order flow here also. Market was pushing higher, doing all these things. Yeah, but yeah, because the overall market outlook post, I think 1 o'clock was bearish, right? From this 130. I didn't take up this trade, and once we have enough target, right, for the day, we should never trade again. That is my logic. So this trade, what you see here, I don't know how you could trade this. Why it came up, why it came reverse from here, God knows. There is no level here, nothing. Simply it came upside. Something should be there, right? Some order flow should be there, some consolidation should be there. Why it's falling exactly from this zone, no, don't know. So if you mark this as a zone and all, it's not a very strong sell zone, supply zone. I will not say this. See, actually, this is not a very. Actually, this fall was a very straight fall. If you see, there is no proper accumulation or distribution of orders. It just fell off. Okay, but here you can see proper distribution happening. Lot of orders. This call, whoever is holding calls, they were distributing the. I mean, it was a D phase. All this was happening. Then it crashed. This is fine, but this and all you cannot consider it as a strong supply zone. So that's why what I'm saying tomorrow is, these zones, these highs will be cleared easily. So this high, I just put this high, just a minute, this high, this high, this high. These are not great levels. Don't worry. I mean, for market, these are not great levels. Yeah, this level is a strong level. Okay, be aware of this level. It is a strong level from here to here. Okay, this move will be a bit difficult. 60, 50, 60 points. Market will be very slow in this region because all the orders are sitting here. Big sell orders, supply. It is a kind of supply zone only. From here to, you can say from here only, basically. Here to here. Mark 45,046 to, just mark this one. 133. This zone, wash out this zone. Again, if the market price comes here after this rally, it will give a pause or it can reverse from here. Be aware. This is what I want to say. I think that's it, guys. Let me know if you like this video, if you have any thoughts on this video, or want me to cover any specific topics. Let me know. So, thank you. Have a nice day.